What we see here is a Gulf Coast industrial, otherwise known as a TAT. I like to call these UFO fans. And that is simply because the shape of the motor resembles a flying saucer. I think that's unique. So, there you go. Anyway, it is a 36-inch model, probably from the very early 80s, as it's labeled Gulf Coast, and as I recall correctly, Gulf Coast started around 1980. So, let's see what it does. Starting on low. For the purpose of testing, I am using a Hunter 3-speed wall control rated for 2 amps with capacitor values of 5 and 10. As you can see, with this control, the low speed is actually quite good. Quite reasonable. Now we bump to medium. Now the medium speed with this control is actually kind of fast. I find that odd. Now to high, which is only slightly faster than medium. Has a little bit of bearing noise, only slight though. Still smooth. And we shut it off. Personally, this is the first one of these that I've seen in brown. Actually quite nice. And there you have it.